Ever had this happen? You grab a pile of snacks, chips, popcorn, candy, crash onto the couch with a soda, binge something, and then suddenly your stomach reminds you that you're not 18 anymore. Congrats. There's a good chance you're experiencing heartburn. Let's break down what it actually is and where it comes from. If you've never felt heartburn, here's the vibe: a burning or uncomfortable sensation behind your chest bone, right where your stomach meets your esophagus. But discomfort in the esophagus can show up in other ways too: pain, irritation, a lump in the throat feeling, or a sour, bitter taste in your mouth. Your stomach, as you probably know, is not a peaceful spa. It's a chemical war zone, full of hydrochloric acid, digestive enzymes, and bile acids. Your stomach is built for that. Your esophagus, not so much. Even in healthy people, tiny amounts of stomach acid splash upward during the day. Normally, you don't feel it because your esophagus has 2 layers of protection: a mucus layer and a tough epithelial lining. Together, they can handle up to 50 acid splashbacks a day, but there are plenty of things that can overwhelm that system: junk food, soda, alcohol, certain medications, smoking, and the classic move, lying down right after eating. When the acid attacks become too frequent, the protective barrier breaks down, cells pull apart, gaps form, and stomach acid seeps into places it shouldn't be. That irritates nerve endings, and boom, heartburn. In medicine, this is called GERD, gastroesophageal reflux disease. Heartburn is its most common symptom, and it feels different for everyone. Some people feel warmth and burning, others feel sharp pain. Many get burping, sour taste, bitterness, or throat discomfort. Because so many people experience heartburn at least once, GERD often seems harmless. There's a persistent myth that heartburn is just normal digestion and you should tough it out. But constant irritation of the esophagus can lead to inflammation, ulcers, and other serious complications over time. That's why it's important to get checked by a professional if symptoms keep coming back. The good news? We live in the 21st century. These things can be treated. But treatment alone isn't enough. Your body doesn't start throwing acid around for no reason. Unbalanced eating habits and unhealthy routines can disrupt how your digestive system works, so even solved problems can return if nothing changes. Eat real food, take care of your body, and watch smart content. And that's baby science for you.